evening, Happy Place Explorers. We are back after a while. We are back at Epcot, and it means more tonight than it has in a while because Epcot Forever is returning, which is weird. Epcot Forever came first, then Epcot Forever Returns came next, when in reality it was actually Batman Returns came first, and then Batman Forever came out. But Epcot chronology and Batman chronology, they're somewhat synchronized, but they're not fully on. It's quite a rainy evening here in Epcot. It's going in and out of pouring and drizzling, but a little moisture is not going to stop us from having an awesome evening tonight. The skies over the World Showcase Lagoon are going to be popping with color and Epcot nostalgia. I'm pretty excited about it. I put on something to, what's the word, wick off all the moisture. So we got a couple hours before Epcot Forever begins. So we got some time to kill as evening falls over the Epcot Center. Come explore with us. Epcot's still going through a huge evolution right now, especially here in what was formerly Future World. We now have construction walls that have extended right out to the entrance of the fluorescent and aqua greenish, sea green, seaweed greenish lights. Where was I? So these walls are out here to prepare for the Journey of Moana attraction that is on the horizon, maybe this year, probably not, but definitely next year, and we're excited about that. And as we are here below Spaceship Earth, we can look up to see its newest ornamentation. These little lights that will eventually be a part of the Beacons of Light show that will be beginning, I believe, on October 1st when the anniversary begins. The anniversary of not only Disney World, but also Epcot. Let's see, I'm gonna do the math real quick in my head. That's 48 years. Wait, 42. Epcot will be celebrating year 41. I did the math. I believe it was correct. The rain is supposed to continue on at least throughout the show. Maybe it'll die around that time. So I'm kind of enjoying the shelter, the dryness. Kind of makes me want to approach some things I haven't in a while, just to maintain some dryness, if you will. Let's check out this gift shop. These are pretty nifty. Are these available? They've got, it's behind a barricade here, but they've got the pavilion logos on little collectible pins. That's pretty awesome. I'm not typically a pin person, but if I manage to find those, I might have to collect them all. But I am not really seeing anything. I got some Epcot things, like a tacky Epcot thing, but not the elegant pins that were over there. I guess if it was anywhere, it would be here. Look at this. It's like the Rainbow Tunnel, but for pins. I don't know if I'm ready to camp out yet. We still got about an hour and a half before showtime. Let's do Spaceship Earth. We're here. Let's enjoy some audio animatronic goodness. I love me some Spaceship Earth. Always. In any climate, in any weather. I'm always like Spaceship Earth.
One small problem. When we move, the recorded noise stays behind. Adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABC?
We stopped. Look at these guys.
And with them our dreams.
Look at that. A steady shot of the of the guys that saved everything. I've ridden this ride 100 times and I can't remember who these guys are. But they created the world's first backup system. I cannot remember. She just said it. Judi Dench just said it. I cannot remember. What are their names? The guys.
Please remain seated.
Oh.
Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Hi guys. I will remember who you are on another ride. Thanks for picking up the pieces after Rome, though. What were their names? Who are they, man in the balcony? Who are they?
Monks twirl endlessly in the printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books. Spaceship Earth.
Wow, this really is an Epcot ride. Always building.
Take a look, shall we?
Oh man, what a bright future.
Or should I say...
Oh, what is it? What did it do to me?
What you want?
Epcot turned me into a hollow monster.
Something for a special occasion?
What's going on there? I have no eyes and no head. I'm just a soulless face with no... What happened? How come this guy, he looks charming, and I... What's happening here? What did I do? What did I do? What did they do to me? What did they do to me? Epcot's supposed to inspire vision, and they took mine away. Spaceship Earth, what kind of message are you sending me? Spaceship Earth, always a sobering experience. And the rain still falls over Future World. Or, I guess this is World Celebration, or will be. Wait, this could be a good thumbnail. This is for Epcot Forever, but what if this is the thumbnail? No, it should be something with the firework. Maybe this though. Maybe I should be more like stoic. I'm gonna put, you can't see my hands in my pocket. Put a lackadaisical maybe? Or should it be like, it's raining, it's raining? Or should I just be like, surprised I live in Florida? I don't know. It is raining though, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I was wildly misinformed. Look at this. I thought this was all sectioned off because of the Moana construction, which is actually happening over on this wall. So I stand corrected. You know, standing right next to it, you really don't see those lights as much as I thought. I mean, they kind of stick out a little bit in some spots, but they blend in somewhat nicely, and we're right up close. So I think my concerns about the beacons, the beacon of light or beacon of magic, beacon of Epcot, I think those are unfounded at the moment. And in addition to the moisture, another Epcot staple has finally returned, and that is the jumping fountains of the Imagination Pavilion. Here they come! Ah, I miss these. Slowly but surely, things continue to return here to Epcot. We got the jumping fountains back. We got fireworks back for the first time in a long time. In Forever, in Epcot Forever. I'm debating if I reshoot that, because that could have been good. Okay. And we got fireworks back for the first time in forever. Epcot Forever. No, one more time. We got the fountains back and we got fireworks back for the first time in forever. Epcot Forever. Disney World in a pandemic has been quite the experience. We're going to remember this forever. One of the staples of a Disneyland day, of a Disney World day, of any Disney day, is the nighttime spectacular that happens at the end. It is the proverbial cherry on top of a Disney World day. And that's been gone for the last year. And so, man, I'm so excited to have that, you know, that quintessential piece of the Disney World puzzle back tonight as everyone gathers round. There's a hubbub, those announcements, those annoying announcements with the kids. I'm actually looking forward to that. It's gonna be nice to hear, you know, not, you know, stay 6 feet apart. That was all important. We needed to be reminded. But it's gonna be nice to have that swapped back out with the nostalgic. I'm nostalgic for things from 2 years ago. Isn't that wild? Hopefully soon, with the return of everything and normalcy, Club Cool and a gift shop, main gift shop returning to the center here, that maybe even the Epcot monorail will be returning to us soon. We're definitely not out of the woods just yet, but it's nice to have these things that we've loved from our past finally return to us in the today. That was awesome timing. It is kind of weird being in a Disney park without a mask on. For the last year and a half, for however long this has been, I have not had to worry about boogers or my bad breath or COVID-19 for a year and a half. So it's kind of hard to give that up. I do enjoy breathing in the nice fresh Florida air. It's not musty and humid tonight. It is a little wet tonight, but it's not bad. Does look like the prime viewing area has been taken for the evening. Not at capacity, that's for sure. So I wonder if that's being taken into account or if this is some special party going on here. Who knows? Not me. Found a pretty okay spot just outside of the premium area. There's some foliage in the way, but I'm trying to recall the show and wonder if that's essential. If maybe just this glimpse here will be enough to satisfy. So we do know this won't exactly be the Epcot Forever that we saw before the pandemic, mostly because of those gigantic harmonious barges in the middle of the lagoon here. We know there won't be any kites with jet skis.
Greetings, Epcot World Travelers! In just 30 minutes, the Epcot family will proudly present Epcot Forever, an amazing celebration of Epcot's yesterday and tomorrow. This incredible fireworks spectacular can be experienced from all around the World Showcase Lagoon. Due to lower light levels around the World Showcase, please watch your step, and kids, take your parents by the hand. We also ask for your safety and for that of others, that you please remain on the promenade side of all railings during the show. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready, because tonight's performance of Epcot Forever will begin in just 30 minutes.
That was exciting. I'm trying to think the last time I felt like that here. Probably on those first days coming back to the parks. It was awesome hearing the spiel again, but mostly I wasn't expecting the flames to light up, but they did. They did. I don't know if those have been back on since everything began, but man, That is an Epcot. That's a piece of the world showcase that I'm glad to have back. That adds so much. The music's pumping loud again. Man, we are back. Epcot is back. Almost at 100. Not quite at 100, but almost at 100. This zoomed us up real quick. I'm very thrilled right now. Very thrilled. We do have a half hour to go yet. Still raining. Forecast says it will be. Yay! Fireworks are mostly in the sky, right? So this should be fine. But I think once Harmonious rolls around, this might not be the best spot. But I think for tonight, it's gonna be great. I believe it. Oh no, our flame went out. Our flame did not go on. Someone tweeted guest services. Number 19's down. Hey-oh, we do go on. We do go on. Through the joy and through the tears and the rain. I can't explain it. It's so good to have the loud music playing around the showcase and the flames going on. It's like this weird sense memory. I can't explain it. It's nice though. Any minute now. Any minute now. No, not yet. Here we go! Epcot Forever, guys. Epcot Forever. Walt Disney. He's responsible for everything. Yeah! Woo! We are back, baby. We are back at Walt Disney World. Yes! Pyrotechnics! Ooh, smells like sulfur. I love it. Universe of energy. It's raining very gently, but these fireworks are warming my spirit. Whoa. Woo. Woo. Look at all the vegetables and fruit represented in the sky via pyrotechnic. Wow. Whoa, yes. it's still weird. But I love it!
Epcot is and will always be in the state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
The finale! It's right! Whoa! And loud! It's loud! Epcot Forever, Explorers. Epcot Forever.
Thank you for joining us for Epcot Forever. Thank you, and good night.
It's just a reflection, but if you stand right at this spot in front of the gift shop, you get a cool little Illuminations callback. Of course, we haven't seen Illuminations for a while. That was Epcot Forever that we just saw, and it was awesome. Definitely wasn't bad, just a few feet over where we were, but just a few feet down here, the view really opens up. But I don't think a lot was happening. I mean, there was a bush there, I couldn't tell for sure, but I don't think a lot was happening where the barges were taking place. A few changes here and there to the show that I remember, the most notable one being, of course, that of the kites and the jet skis. Those are missing, but they'll be back in some form for a new show to debut in Animal Kingdom, a daytime show that's going to employ those kites and some jet skis in some more animalistic fashion, which I'm looking forward to. That debuts on October 1st. Of course, we won't see it that day because we are gonna be here where Harmonious will debut, Ratatouille's gonna debut, maybe the Space Restaurant will debut, maybe, no, Food and Wine's gonna be that day too. It's gonna be a wild, crazy day. Magic Kingdom's birthday is gonna be so crazy that they're sending everybody to Epcot. It's good to hear that play-out music again. Man, it's been some time since these speakers were pumping. Well, Explorers, it was a short trip this evening, but we got what we came here for. We got, at long last, Epcot Forever, a fireworks presentation spectacular here in Disney World. Oh yes, piece by piece, Disney World is forming back together. So good to have fireworks back. It's so good to have that closing atmosphere that can only be accompanied with fireworks and the anticipation. Everyone gets to, you know, have their own adventures at Disney World during the day, but it's not until the fireworks show that everyone gets together and awaits as a Disney community. And I felt that tonight. I hope you guys feel it watching this. It's a great night. Fireworks are back here in Epcot, but also in the Magic Kingdom. The music is very loud here. Usually it's nice, quiet, and tranquil here. I hope you can hear me. And in case you can't, I better wrap this up because, guys, it's still raining. It never stopped raining, but that's okay. That's okay. From the world-famous Epcot Center in Epcot Forever, which actually is not forever. Epcot Forever returns like Batman, but not forever because it's only gonna be here for a few more months. Yes, October 1st, Harmonious is going to light up the Epcot skies. So, get here to Epcot to see Epcot Forever before forever comes to an end. Until next time, we'll see you in the happy place. Bye. it stopped raining.